Tensor, an American AI company, has announced the launch of the Tensor Robocar, which is being described as the world's first autonomous vehicle designed for personal ownership. The real star is the Level 4 autonomous driving technology that allows the vehicle to operate entirely without driver input under defined conditions. This is enabled by over 100 sensors, including 37 cameras, 5 lidars, 11 radars, 22 microphones, 10 ultrasonic sensors, GNSS, 16 collision detectors, 8 water level detectors, 4 tire pressure sensors, and 1 smoke detector. The sensors feed data to an onboard supercomputer with 8,000 tera operations per second. There's also a dual system AI that mirrors human cognition. The company said System 1 delivers fast reflexive responses through imitation learning from expert drivers, while System 2 uses a sophisticated multimodal visual language model to reason through rare and complex edge cases. The end result is supposedly confident navigation even in rain or fog. Of course, if you prefer to drive yourself, you can take the wheel and operate it like any other car. The interior looks basic, but it's notable for having retractable pedals and a retractable steering wheel. When the steering wheel is tucked into the dash, a display slides over so it appears in front of the driver. Powertrain details are sparse, as the company said the model is an EV with a 112 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Tensor also mentioned the crossover has 4-wheel steering and an air suspension. The company says the first production models will be built by VinFast in Vietnam. If everything goes according to plan, the first deliveries will occur in the second half of 2026, and the model will be offered in Europe, US, and the United Arab Emirates.